In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Roblox age verification not working. Let's get started. First, launch your Roblox app, then click on three bars given at the top right. Head over to the option settings. Now navigate to the option account info. You're gonna find this pop-up over here, age verification. You can click on the option continue with camera or continue with ID and go through the process for the age verification. If it is not working, the very first thing you wanna do is log out and log in back to your account. Likewise, check for app updates. Launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app Roblox. Once app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, check for server status of Roblox. Launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the website like down Detector. Inside this, search for Roblox. If there are any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. If none of these solutions work, completely delete Roblox from your device and reinstall it. Press and hold on the Roblox app, select the option remove, click on delete, again click on delete and confirm it. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Roblox and install it. After you install it, log into your account and try for age verification. It should work. And that's it. These are some fixes for Roblox age verification not working. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.